Number 1. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500, featuring an extended cab short bed configuration with a 2WD drivetrain. It is powered by a reliable 5.7-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a balance of performance and everyday usability. The truck has been driven approximately 133,000 miles and comes in a burgundy exterior complemented by a red interior, giving it a classic and distinctive appearance. The body is described as very straight with no rust, indicating that it has been well preserved structurally over the years. While the paint is not in perfect condition and shows some signs of wear consistent with its age, it still maintains an appealing look. The vehicle is also equipped with full power options, adding convenience and comfort for the driver and passengers. Overall, this Sierra represents a solid, well-maintained classic pickup. Number 2. 1991 Ford Ranger, price $5,700, low mileage of only 44,710 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a dependable V6 gasoline engine that delivers smooth performance, running and driving very well. The truck features a classic brown exterior complemented by a clean tan interior, reflecting a well-preserved and timeless appearance that is increasingly difficult to find in vehicles of this age. The vehicle is also equipped with a range of convenient power features, including power windows, air conditioning, and a functional radio, all of which contribute to a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. In addition to its standard features, the truck includes an elastic storage net, mounted along the compartment wall, providing extra practicality and helping keep items organized during travel. This Ford Ranger stands out as a well-maintained, versatile, and collectible compact pickup that continues to offer both functionality and classic appeal. Number 3. 1999 Mazda B-Series, price $6,900, is a well-maintained and reliable vehicle with 131,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a solid and engaging driving experience. The truck comes in a clean white exterior with a tan interior that has been kept in very good condition. It runs on gasoline and has been consistently maintained, including recent replacements such as a new clutch, spark plugs, and wires, ensuring strong performance. This vehicle also benefits from a completed timing belt and valve job, adding to its long-term reliability. It is equipped with 4 recently installed new tires and delivers a comfortable ride with cold air conditioning. The exterior shows only normal wear with no major dents, while the interior remains very clean. Additional features include a bedliner and an aluminum toolbox, making it practical for work or daily use. The truck has a clean title in hand, and it has been smog tested and registered, ready for immediate use. Number 4. 1986 GMC 2500, price $9,500, is a well-maintained classic truck with only 65,000 miles, featuring an automatic transmission, burgundy exterior, and tan interior. It is a GMC C20 square body 454 Camper Special Edition, equipped with a strong 454 engine, 4.10 rear axle, TH400 transmission, full power options, air conditioning, original radio, spacious 3.3 crew cab, dual gas tanks, and a 2WD drivetrain, making it both capable and desirable. The truck runs and drives well and has recently been serviced, including an oil change, replacement of fuel filters, new silicone vacuum lines, new air filter, front power window motors, coolant reservoir, and brake fluid flush. It also comes with a nice set of Michelin tires. This unit retains its original paint, is accident-free with no Bondo, and has a solid frame and floors with no major rust. It is ready to drive and enjoy as is or restore gradually. Clean title on hand. Number 5. 1998 Ford Ranger, price $5,500, that has been well maintained and is ready for daily use. It has been driven approximately 190,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The vehicle features a green exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a classic and clean look. Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck runs and drives great and is capable of handling everyday needs without any issues. It comes with a clean title and also includes an upgraded stereo system, adding extra comfort and entertainment for the driver and passengers. Overall, this Ford Ranger is a solid and dependable truck. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, showing only 18,000 miles and equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. This classic pickup features a rich brown exterior complemented by a clean black interior, creating a timeless and appealing look. Under the hood, it is powered by a 383-stroker engine paired with a quick-fuel Slayer 750 CFM carburetor, providing strong, responsive performance and a powerful driving experience. The vehicle is further enhanced with a freshly rebuilt 700R4 transmission that still comes with a warranty, ensuring reliability and peace of mind for its next owner. It also features a 3.73 True-Lock rear end and long tube headers, contributing to improved traction, acceleration, and overall driving performance. This Chevrolet C10 runs and drives excellently, with no visible scratches or rust, highlighting the level of care and attention it has received over time. Overall, it stands as a solid, clean, and performance-upgraded classic truck ready for both daily enjoyment and collection. Number 7. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $3,500, is a well-maintained 4x4 step-side pickup with around 220,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a red exterior with a tan interior, and a reliable 4.0L V6 gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives as it should, with no check engine lights or leaks. It comes equipped with power windows, power locks, keyless entry, a CD player, and Bluetooth. Many parts have been recently replaced, including the battery, alternator, water pump, coolant tube, thermostat, and coil pack, along with a resealed top end. It also has a unique 7-inch exhaust stack. Sitting on 31 Futura Scrambler all-terrain tires with American Racing aluminum rims, this Ranger offers a solid combination of reliability, upgrades, and off-road capability. Number 8. 1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,700. It has been driven for 143,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and comfortable driving experience. It is powered by a 4.0L V6 gasoline engine, which provides adequate performance while remaining relatively easy to maintain. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a warm and classic look. In terms of condition and features, the vehicle has been well cared for and includes several practical additions that enhance both comfort and functionality. It also comes with an overhead console, providing extra storage space and easy access for both the driver and the radio is fully functional, offering entertainment during drives. The interior is further protected with seat covers and a dashboard cover, helping preserve the original condition by minimizing wear and protecting against sun exposure. All windows are in proper working condition, indicating that the basic electrical systems are functioning as they should. Additionally, the vehicle is fitted with new tires. Number 9. 1974 Ford F100, price $7,500, that has been driven approximately 38,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a distinctive green exterior complemented by a matching green interior, giving it a unique vintage appeal, and it runs on gasoline. As a 4x4 model, it offers added versatility and capability, and it still retains its original 360 engine, which enhances its authenticity and value among classic truck enthusiasts. The vehicle shows minor, typical rust in some areas due to age, and it is currently not running, so it will require some care and mechanical attention to bring it back to life. The truck comes with a valid title in hand, making the ownership transfer straightforward. Number 10. 1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,995, just arrived and represents a rare opportunity to own a well-preserved, low-mileage classic pickup. Showing only 117,000 miles, this truck stands out as a hard-to-find example of an old-school Dodge Ram that has been kept in excellent condition, including a clean, rust-free body that adds to its long-term value and durability. It features a distinctive green exterior complemented by a neat gray interior, creating a timeless and rugged appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission, the truck is also equipped with a spacious 8-foot bed and a dependable 4x4 system, making it highly versatile and capable of handling a wide range of conditions. It has successfully passed emissions testing, ensuring it meets necessary standards and is ready for immediate use. Additional features such as a well-functioning radio provide comfort and entertainment, while the brand new tires enhance both safety and performance on the road.